So a video with Ja Morant with a gun pops up yet again on Saturday night, and now he's been suspended by the Memphis Grizzlies. And so this past Saturday night, Ja Morant's friend Devontae Pack ends up posting a live video on IG. Ja Morant's got a gun in his hand while he's driving around, and he's rapping along to lyrics in the background. And, naturally the video has since been deleted, but this is a very serious problem. Just last March, Ja Morant was on video at a club in Denver after playing the Nuggets. He was under the influence and had a gun. As a result, he had to meet with NBA Commissioner Adam Silver, who called his conduct irresponsible, reckless, and potentially very dangerous. And we all know that accidents can happen with firearms, but when you mix guns and alcohol, it's not a good look, and it's certainly not a good look for the guy who's supposed to be the next face of the NBA. You could say that it's LeBron or Steph, maybe they're co-faces of the NBA, but Ja Morant is supposed to be next in line. Ja Morant ended up getting an 8-game suspension as a result. And so Ja Morant accepted responsibility. He apologized to his friends, his family, his teammates, coaches, the entire city of Memphis, and the Grizzlies organization, because, you do let people down in this situation. They don't need to have the star player of this organization on video, drunk, flashing guns. It's just not a good look for the team or the league. But this was just one of a string of bad press that Ja Morant has been generating. There's the lawsuit with the high school basketball player where Ja Morant and Devontae Pack, they're playing pickup basketball at Ja Morant's house, and allegedly Ja Morant and Devontae Pack end up punching this kid in the head. And then Ja Morant goes in the house and comes outside with a gun in his waistband. And, I don't know if any of this is true or not, but it's absolutely not the type of story that the star of the league needs to have associated with his name. His boy Devontae Pack has been banned from Memphis home games after he got into it with Pacers players, ended up actually going on the floor and causing trouble with the players. And then even after the game, there was a whole issue with the red laser beam coming from Ja Morant's SUV. And even though it was not ultimately corroborated whether there was actually a weapon attached to that laser beam, you know what the laser beam implies. And so again, yet another story that you do not want associated with the star player of this league. Ja Morant has some very serious decisions to make. He has the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity of being a player in the NBA, and not just any player in the NBA, the future face of the league. He just signed a 5-year, $194 million contract, and that doesn't even count all the endorsement deals that he has. Ja Morant is an exceptional human being. He's a young man. He is able to turn this around, but I'll tell you this, it is very important to be mindful of the company you keep. Your energy is gonna go one way or the other, and people are either gonna bring you up or take you down. So Ja Morant just has a very serious decision to make as it relates to his boy, because Ja Morant's gotta make better decisions. And not only does he have to make better decisions, but he can't have negative influences around him that are not helping him make better decisions. You'd like to see your boy telling you, no, you shouldn't be doing that. No, things are hot right now. You don't need to be posted on IG Live with a gun in your hand. That doesn't look good at all. So if this guy does not have the self-awareness to understand that that's not a good look, then he does not need to be around Ja Morant. Sometimes you got to take a break from people. And it sounds like that's what needs to happen, because Devontae Pack has shown time and time again that he's not the best decision maker. Ja Morant clearly isn't the best decision maker, so they may not need to be together right now. Ja Morant needs to focus on his life, getting his mind right, and getting prepared for this next season. I mean, they had a very embarrassing exit from the playoffs. To have this come out just after you were booted from the playoffs is not a good look. I'm cheering for Ja Morant. I want all the best for him, but he's got to make some better decisions and keep better people around him. All right, if you got something out of this, please show me some love and hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new video when it drops. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.